Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop. Then we click on you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage, the window. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.